Hey guys, this is Czech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox another smartwatch. This is the YS8 Ultra. Let's go. Hey guys, how are you? It's been a long time since I haven't uploaded any videos about smartwatch, and now we are back. And since Christmas season is coming, so this smartwatch can be an alternative to your very expensive Iwatch out there. So this is typically like the clone of the Iwatch Ultra. Actually got this one guys from Shopee. So you can get this one for around $24, or that's around 1,500 pesos. So without further ado guys, let's open this one. Okay, so it's been a long time since we have not unboxed the watch here in our channel. Yes, and I'm happy because we are back. This looks nice guys, so let's take a look at this one. Wow, it looks great as well. So this is 42 or 44 millimeters. Okay guys, so here is our box. Here you have here YS8 Ultra wireless charging. So let's take this one out.
Okay, so it's in the color is kind of black guys, and then on the lower part there's NFC with K. Okay, and at the back so we have here specifications.
Okay, so this smartwatch is not a medical device. Battery life, charge cycles, and display life vary by use and settings. So let's open this one guys. Okay, ta-da! Here it is guys. Okay, so this is the product manual. Okay, what we have also is the wireless charging cable. Alright, and here it is guys. We're very excited to check and to see our H10 Ultra. So guys, I know what you are trying to say, or I know what you're thinking. This one really looks like the Iwatch Ultra. Okay, so on the right side guys, by the way guys, it's quite heavy. Perhaps this is made of like metal frame here. Alright, and on the right side we have here the crown. Okay, this looks really familiar. And we have here the another button, and on the left we have here the speaker and another dedicated button here on the left, and we have here the sensors. So let's take this one out. Right, so it says there Watch Ultra. Let's try to turn it on guys. Okay, and let's take this one out as well. Wow. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the bezels is so thin. Okay, and the display is large, and it looks really nice guys. So let's try to swipe down. Okay, so we have here the shortcuts. Okay, the battery percentage, and we have here the settings as well. Okay, and then when we swipe up, so this is like the settings for message, and when we swipe to the right, then there's a quick shortcut, and then when we swipe to the left, we have here the widgets. Okay, so guys, I think the language that we have, it is in another language, so let's change it to English. Okay, so English. So now guys, let's try to long press and let's check if we have the watch face. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, we have 8 watch faces guys. Okay, and the watch face looks nice as well. So when we tap here, so it will direct us to this sports mode here. Okay, this button here. And then when we have here the on the left, okay, this is just like the on and off. The crown, when you tap the crown twice like this, so it will give you a different grid style. So in our case, let's just choose this one so that we can see the features that it has. So we have here heart rate. Okay, it has sleep, steps, breathing. Okay, so this is pretty much common in other watch that we had. Then we have games. Wow, who is color blind? Okay, I don't know. So this is like interesting, like you need to tap on the color that is different. Okay, so this is pretty interesting. Then roll dice. We have here BP, SPO2. Okay, exercise. We have badminton, basketball, cycling, football, climbing, skipping, running, walking, yoga, treadmill, and so on. Stairs, triathlon, sit-up, skiing, billiards, training. Okay, and then we also have here TikTok. Wow, there's TikTok, guys. Okay, I believe that you need to connect to your smartphone first before you can use this function here. So I believe this is for the volume up of your phone when you're using TikTok. Like, wow, it's pretty interesting. We have voice assistant as well, music control. Okay, contacts, call logs. We have physiological here. Okay, ECG, temperature. Wow, there's also temperature. Okay, we also have QR code, calculator. Okay, this is pretty interesting. And then weather, position. I think this is like for the GPS. So I will be testing this one out as well, guys, and I will be giving my full review of this watch in a couple of days. And then in the settings, we have set the time. Okay, in other watch, guys, you need to connect the watch before you can set it up, but in here you can already set it directly on your watch. Language, password reset, about. Okay, so let's try to change to other watch face, guys. Let's try this one. Okay, this one is pretty nice, and it looks like the Iwatch Ultra. Alright, so changing this strap, guys. Okay, let's see what it looks like when we change it to this orange strap here. Okay, let's just slide this one here, connect it here, and just like that, guys. Wow, this looks premium. Yeah, without knowing the price, you can, you can use this one like a style, like, oh, you have like an old Iwatch Ultra smartwatch. Okay, guys, so for my initial review with this is, it's nice for the price, yes, and it looks really stylish. And I will be testing this one, guys, for a couple of weeks, and I will let you know my full review about this watch. And then if you have any questions, guys, about this watch, just comment down below. And then if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Okay, guys, so once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.